In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF in Adobe Reader. Before starting, I want to mention that if you want to password protect your document from inside Adobe Acrobat, you need the Pro version. You cannot password protect a file using the free version of Adobe Reader. If you want an alternative method, be sure to watch until the end. To password protect a file using the Pro version, click on All Tools on the left side of your screen and scroll down until you find the Protect a PDF option. Click on it, and the first option you will see is Protect with Password. Click on it, and you can select whether you want to require a password to view the document or to edit it. After selecting your preference, type in your password in the first box and then confirm it by typing the same password in the second box. After that, click on Apply, and your file will be successfully protected with a password. Now go to the location where you saved the file and open it. You will see that it now requires a password to access the document. Once you type in the correct password, you will be able to access the PDF. If you don't have the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat, you can try an online tool. Open any browser on your system and search for Protect PDF with Password. You will see multiple websites that allow you to password protect PDF files for free. Make sure to select a secure site that ensures data privacy, and this is how you can password protect a PDF file in Adobe Reader.